Fire cider is a traditional folk remedy made from a potent blend of ingredients steeped in apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon a day boost immune system, prevent or support recovery from a cold or flu, to clear upper and lower respiratory congestion, to increase circulation, and to enhance immunity, and most important, makes you slim and beautiful. Let's make the best fire cider. You need 1 grapefruit, 1 lemon, 1 orange, 1 onion, 1 whole head of garlic, a big piece of fresh ginger, 1 shallot, 1 pack of fresh sage leaves, 1 pack of fresh thyme, mix of fresh chili peppers, cloves, Curcumin powder, organic apple cider vinegar, and a big glass airtight jar. Making it is super easy. Basically, you need to slice all your ingredients first. So you might think why I said this is the better version of fire cider? Well, it is because I am going to use curcumin powder instead of fresh turmeric inside this cider, which is a major active compound found within turmeric, well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and is responsible for turmeric's vibrant yellow color and more concentrated than consuming turmeric alone, so potentially with greater benefits. Once slicing is done, gather the fresh herbs and arrange all the sliced ingredients and the herbs into layers inside the jar. Then add 1 tablespoon cloves and 1 TSP curcumin powder. Then pour the apple cider vinegar to fill the jar. Cover the lid and turn the jar upside down so everything mixes well, and leave it in a warm place for 4 to 6 weeks. If, like me, you are living in a cold place, you can use one of these electric warming mats to keep your jar over it and keep it warm. I will leave the link of this mat at the description box if you want to get one for yourself. This is my fire cider after 6 weeks. It's time to strain it. So strain it in a bowl and again strain it one last time inside the jar you want to keep it. This fire cider can be kept in the room temperature and enjoy 1 tablespoon a day, or dilute it into the water or add it to your meal and enjoy it.